Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 19th to the 25th, including one freebie, and that is something that everybody loves. Very easy, straightforward deals in this preview. The first thing that we're going to talk about is last Wednesday, the 15th. These appeared in my digital coupons folder. I have a 7 back when you spend 35, and then 2 dental care ones, a 4 back when you buy 2 P&G, and then a 15 back when you buy 45, probably that expensive toothbrush. So load all of these and let's get back into the video. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad along with all of the digital coupons will be published on Sunday the 19th, probably around 4 in the morning Eastern time. You could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, or if you have the hype button, if you want to press it, it really helps out the video and the channel if you do both. Thank you so much in advance, guys. My prediction is that probably on Sunday the 19th, all of this FIFA stuff will go 75, maybe 90. They want it out of the store. There's not a lot left, but if you want this soccer merchandise, probably Sunday is the day. I would definitely check the app. Okay, the first item we're going to talk about is the absolute freebie. It's the $5 Colgate. I think that's going to be a 5 off of 2. And a $5 reward when you purchase 2 of these. So a very basic, straightforward deal. Grabbing 2 for $10, subtracting your digital coupon, and that will be a new one, class. You're going to pay $5, get back a $5 register reward, making it free. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And just use your Walgreens cash to earn that register reward, but not a bad little dealio. Deal that I absolutely love is the $1.99 Purex, and it says laundry care, so I'm assuming that the pods will also be part of it. And IBOTTA currently has 50 cents back for each. So if that rebate is still there, it's going to drop it down to $1.49 pure for the liquid or the pods. The limit is 1. So grabbing 1 of each, a pod and a liquid, that would be $3.98. Then you would photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This deal, I definitely am going to be doing it because we haven't had a deal on L'Oreal Elvive, I think, since last spring. $5.49. When you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. So 2 of them is $10.38, subtracting your digital coupon. You'll pay $7.38, get back a $3 register reward, making it $4.38 for the 2 or $2.19 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I would definitely stock up on this because why not? We usually don't get great deals on this. I don't see a store coupon for this, but maybe something will change as the week marches on. Cheap deal that we have is the Axe body wash for $5 with a $2 reward when you buy 2 and a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these, friends, it's going to be exactly $10. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $5, get back a $2 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per Axe. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. OGX shampoo, buy one, get one 50% off with a $4 reward when you buy 2. If you might have those $3 peelies, you would get $6 off of both. If not, we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so we're going to look at a deal with the 4 off of 2. Typically $9.99, so 2 of them would be $14.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $10.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per. Now, if you have the 2 $3 peelies, it makes it like a little bit cheaper, which is like fantastic. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But if you have like a 30 to spend 30 to earn back 7, this would be half of your basket. So I would definitely consider that because who doesn't love OGX and the L'Oreal Elvive? I might throw the 2 of them into a basket on Sunday. And the TRESemmé for $6, a $3 reward when you buy 2 with the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Very basic deal here. Grabbing 2 of these, friends, it's going to be $12. Subtracting your coupon, you'll pay $8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And yeah, this flyer is really, really heavy on shampoo. And I have been just washing my hair every other day. It's been so hot and just like, it's one of those things. I know a lot of you are probably similar that you take 2 showers a day and you're always washing your hair because it's just like sweaty and hot, especially if you work outside. Final shampoo deal goes to Garnier Fructis for $4.49 with a $3 reward when you purchase 2 with the 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting your coupon, you'll pay $5.98. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But for $1.49, that's not a bad deal, so I would definitely stock up on that. Like, why not? And no more shampoo deals for the rest of this flyer. The next one goes to body wash. If there might be an IBOTTA rebate for the bar soap or the body wash, I would definitely do this deal. Grabbing 3 of them at $8 a unit, that's $24. Subtracting that coupon, you're going to pay $19. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $14 for the 3 or $4.66 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But this is a huge out of pocket, guys, and $4.66 isn't the greatest price point considering we were getting Dove for $1.50 for weeks and weeks and weeks. Unless there's an IBOTTA rebate or this deal just gets a little nicer. This is one that unless you really want to throw it into a $35 basket with a booster, I just wouldn't touch this week. The final deal I have for you is the $4.99 all with the $1 digital coupon. And over on IBOTTA, there's a $1 rebate. If it's still hanging around on Sunday, this could be a heck of a deal. Also, check your only grocery store because sometimes they remove it from the Walgreens and then put it for only grocery store. So that's a workaround for it. Grabbing one of these for $4.99, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $3.99. Photograph it to IBOTTA for $1 back. It makes it $2.99. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But $2.99 for a product that's usually like $8.99 for one bottle. Even these smaller ones, it's very expensive. I think this is not a bad little deal. Now we're going to quickly go through some honorable mentions, guys. The first one goes to the buy 2, get 1 for free on the first aid. Now, if you might have that $5 store register reward that we were getting last week for cough drops and your cashier will not scan it on anything, Dr. Teal's, yes, it'll scan on that because that is considered a medical product, or any of the Walgreens generic Epsom salt. That is a medical product. We have the promotion of buy 1, get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags. It makes it basically 93 cents per box of 20. The larger ones are really, really nice, especially if you're a home cook. You probably go through quite a few of them. And the 3 for $15.99 on the Canada Dry A&W 7-Up. If you are a soda drinker, this is not a bad price point. And a little bit more is the buy 2, get 1 for free on the Coke products. If you are Coke loyal, definitely the week to stock up your pantry for these Coke products. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.